Hi there, my name is Amin. I've been building business tools and systems for more than 15 years already. And today I want to show you something that I think every business needs: a simple but powerful CRM, fully customized without paying per user and with full control. We are going to use a framework called Frappe. It's a tool I've been using for many years to build business apps for clients, but also for ourselves, including in travel, healthcare, e-commerce, and logistics. Today, we are going to build a small CRM for B2B agency. I will set up custom forms for leads, customers, and interactions, and I will show you how to link them, add basic logic, all without code. So let's get started. All right, as you can see, this is Frappe, and the Frappe framework comes automatically with a lot of tools and integrations that is very useful. One of them is the user authentication. It's already built in, so you can create multiple users and give them access to your application. But it has also other integration like with Google and Dropbox, for example. They have inbuilt or built-in tools like a to-do app, a calendar, note app, and you can also have your own files directory inside the framework. So those tools, because they are already built in, it's very useful to integrate with your custom CRM that we are going to build. So let's get started. So before we start, I want to show you the framework structure or infrastructure of Frappe. So Frappe is built with doc types. So we can click here and we go to doc types. And inside Frappe, that you will notice that there are a lot of doc types. Every doc type is basically a simple database. It's a database, it's a form, and you can put all your fields you want inside the doc type. And when you save it, you have your own database structure. So for our CRM, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to create our module. For this module, I will call it, for example, a B2B CRM. So I will create this module. I will call it a B2B CRM. It's a custom. I will save it, and then I will go back to my list of doc types. I will add a doc type, and the first doc type I want to create is lead. I will connect it to my module B2B CRM. You can leave this how it is. I will create it. All right, so now I created my doc type. Inside my lead, and the nice thing about why I'm using Frappe as a framework, when I want to create my CRM tool, I want to decide the fields I want inside my lead. A lot of other CRM tools, they come with standard fields, and a lot of fields you even don't use. And if you give your user or your sales rep access to this CRM, you need to train them. You need to answer like questions. Hey, what I should do with this field or this field, and that's very frustrating. And that's why I like to build my own custom CRM tool. So inside this doc type as a lead, I'm going to decide, okay, what fields I need. Basically, the fields I need is a data field. I will call this first name. I need to know the first name of this lead. I will give him the second is the last name. You can also build a full name field here, but I like to know the first name and the last name. All right, I need to know his email, so it's also a data field. I need to know his phone number, and I want also to know what product or service he's interested in. So I'm going to create a select, and here I will call it interested in, and then here in the options, as I'm a B2B company, I'm selling, for example, consultancy. I'm selling, let's say, development. I'm selling, let's say, logistics. I'm selling other services. It's just an example. So I will save it. So after I have created my lead doc type, as you can see, we have here the settings. I've added an auto name as a field setting, first name. I've saved it. I can go to my lead list, And as you can see, I have here one lead. Let's show you how you can add your new lead. For example, I will here call it Sander Willems. I will put here his email address, phone number. You have a country code here. Okay, and he's interested in logistics. I'll save it. As you can see, everything is correctly saved. And the nice thing inside the doc type, it comes automatically with the framework. You can, if you have user, you can assign this lead to people. You can attach documents. You can give tags. You can share it, as I said. You can put here your comments. For example, Sander wants to visit our office next week. You can comment, and the comments is here. You can send him an email directly. As you can see, you can put it here and you can send an attachment. So it's very, very powerful. I can go back to my lead list. I have here Sander, I have multiple views. I can put a report view, a dashboard view, or a Kanban view. A Kanban view is super, super useful when you have a lot of leads and you want to see each status of the lead in a like a Trello kind of Kanban view. It's very nice to have this already. So I've created my doc type. So after the doc type lead, so I have the lead doc type, I can put so as many doc types I want. And each doc type, as I said, you can put your fields, your custom fields in it, and you can do automation. So in the next step, I'm going to show you what we have done for a travel company. And as you might know, a travel company has a lot of operations. They don't have they have leads, they have customers, but a customer has a flight booking, a hotel booking, and full package booking, and they have a lot of things to manage for each customer. So we built this tool for them inside with Frappe. I'm going to show you how we have done this. All right, so this is Travelycs desk. We created Travelycs for a travel company. And the nice thing about the travel company, as I said, they have a lot of operations. They have to manage leads, customers, bookings, and mostly they have to follow up a lot of customers. Do they want to confirm the booking? Not making a change in inside the booking, etc. So we have created a fully custom dashboard, as you can see for them, where they can see all their leads coming in. They can manage their tasks and also planning. They have total leads, total bookings. They have customers, reservations, packages. So they can from here go to their list view of the leads. They can go to their customers. Inside the customer, for example, they can manage the bookings request for this customer. They can add payment. They can also create invoices. And they have even some travel preferences, which is very useful. If you put for each customer his preferences here, you can later have this data integrated with, for example, AI or an AI agent, and the AI agent can automatically create personalized itineraries in this case. So this is very, 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 this is very easy built with Frappe, and I'm showing this to you to show you the power of this framework. It's fully customized, basically every step exactly how this travel company wants to operate. And they were using other tools like HubSpot, they were using Zoho, they were using even ClickUp. But the thing that is that when you are using a framework like Frappe, you can fully customize each step in your sales flow or your sales operations. If it is a travel company, a logistic company, e-commerce company, it doesn't matter. You decide which fields you want to use, how you link or how you want to link these fields with other doc types. And that's very powerful and very useful. And nowadays, you don't have vendor lock-in. What is a vendor lock-in? That means that the application is not in your ownership. And with Frappe, you have the ownership of this application. You have the ownership, of course, of your data, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. So thank you for watching. I'm very, very excited about the comments and feedback you have on this video and this Frappe framework. And let me know if you want to explore more about this Frappe framework and how you can can implement it inside your operations or your sales operations. Thank you for watching, and looking forward for meeting you. Bye bye.